Well, this is has been our clamor. No, my personal take on this is merely a administrative and uh, operational efficiency nga giipon ang Siquijor, province of Siquijor, province of Negros Oriental and Occidental. For the longest time, ang island of Negros, and I think it's the only island nga gibuak ni siya into two separate regions. And or biniak sa dalawang regions, and it makes no sense that one island which can be operationally more efficient are is split into two, no? And makita natin na we meaning the official dam of Negros Occidental, Oriental, and Siquijor can make common infrastructure projects, and it would be more, or it would be cheaper and more efficient if we can do this. No? You see, ang problema ng Pilipinas, and it's also at the same time an asset, we are over 7,000 islands. And mahirap talaga gagawa ka ng to connect all these major islands by bridges. Very, very expensive. But it's possible actually to connect. If I were the president, the first thing I'd do is to connect all the major islands in the country. And that will really promote trade and commerce, tourism, and operational control sa Malacanang. No? Now, balikan natin. For example, not just infrastructure project, because if you want to make or construct a circumferential road, connectivity, highways, and tunnels, mas madali kung nasa one island ka. In terms of battling or fighting the insurgency problem or solving the insurgency problem, madali na lang kung isang region, basta meron tayong, I was hoping na ma-implement yung super highway or highland freeway, magdaan sa bundok, cutting through Cuernos de Negros. Actually, Cuernos de Negros, it's a mountain range that really divides both the oriental side and occidental side, and it has been a hindrance in terms of communication before, no? Communication and travel. Now, if we cut through these mountains and build a highland freeway from the southernmost tip of Negros Island, which is Bayawan City, to the northernmost tip of Negros Island, that is Cadiz City, we can travel from Dumaguete to Bacolod in 2 hours, more or less. Imagine compared to 4 to 5 hours, 2 oras na lang ang travel mo. And that can be done through the regional development councils, maybe initiative later on. No? I was even suggesting to the governor of Occidental, Governor Lacson, and the mayor of the principal or capital city of Bacolod, Mayor Albi, and the rest of the mayors and congressmen of the Occidental Negros, that it's possible that if we build this connectivity or this highland freeway, that will really hasten or encourage travel, no, sa mga taga-occidental to oriental and vice versa. magiging maganda sa turismo, local tourism. And I don't mind traveling to Bacolod every day kung 2 oras na lang. It's just like traveling from Makati to, I was a practicing lawyer in Makati for the longest time, in Metro Manila. Traveling from Makati to Quezon City, no? And maganda yung ginawa na ang mga regional offices hinati sa 2 probinsya and maybe satellite offices later on sa magiging resulta ng IRR, implementing rules and regulations sa Siquijor. In fact, wala pang NIR law, meron na akong master plan na ginawa to even connect Negros Island to Siquijor through Bacong Municipality and Siquijor. That's 19 kilometers distance. And it's possible to build either a tunnel or a bridge connecting the two islands of Siquijor and Negros Island. And sa ngayon, ang ganda ng tourism potential ng Siquijor. But you have to pass through Dumaguete by plane. And then pag merong kaunting alon lang, mahirap na tumawid, no? Tumawid. Bisaya natin ay talagang tumawid doon sa Siquijor. It's unfortunate, no? But that's why it's a hindrance. That's why magagawa tayo ng mga connectivity. Yun ang key dyan, physical connectivity. Although meron tayong cellphones, may internet, but we need some sort of, for the travelers or the visitors, may connectivity tayo. For the longest time, before Siquijor province became an independent province, it was a sub-province or part of Negros Oriental. And in fact, a number of residents there are also have their roots in Negros Oriental. We speak the same language, may common practices kami, and in fact, one of the municipalities of Siquijor province, Enrique Villanueva, was named after the former governor of Negros Oriental. Ganun ang ties namin. So, gusto talaga namin na maisama ang Siquijor. Mas malayo sila sa Cebu kaysa amin dito. Pag meron tayong bridge na ganun, or connectivity, or even just may maganda na yung potential na yung airport kung matapos yung airport ng Siquijor. Pwede na tayo mag-travel from Siquijor to Bacolod direkta. O pag merong and baka naman maunahan kami sa Siquijor as an international airport. We really don't mind. No?